Hello Redminers! Today I'm going to show you how the RedmineX Custom Field Forms plugin works. This is the brand new plugin which basically creates Redmine inbuilt forms using custom fields. So this is how a typical form within Redmine issue would look like. This allows you to just toss the Google Forms you're currently using or any kind of third-party forms because you can have it built in directly in Redmine and work with it as if it was an issue, because it is actually a Redmine issue. So first of all, you need to set up your custom fields. Here is the list of custom fields. It's quite extensive, and I'm going to show you how it works on the first name. You basically create like a typical custom field, text, boolean, whatever the format you desire. You set your if it's a required field or filter or searchable or whatever, you set the visibility and you tie it with a particular tracker or type. In this case, we tied it just to 2 trackers, so it doesn't get mixed up with default tasks or support tasks or even vacations. Then you define the projects it's gonna be available in, and that's it. It's literally nothing more than creating a standard custom field. And once you have a list of the custom fields, then you can place them in a form, and it's done in the plugin settings like this, and you have 2 views, the issue show and issue edit. That's because there's a difference when you look at the issue, and when you click the edit button, it becomes like an edit mode where you can actually change the values, yes, no checkboxes, and here is like a text area or text box. Like this, you can add HTML for particular trackers. If you add a tracker, it looks like this. It's going to be like a blank tracker with blank custom custom fields, and this is how it looks filled in. So you can see that basically it's just an HTML with divs, or you may use tables if you want, and there are some headings and some like section labels, and then all you need to do actually is like insert a placeholder, like the custom field placeholder. This one is CF5 input, which if we just search that, we're gonna see it's the first name, and here you have a list of the available custom field placeholders. So like this, you can either add the label or the actual input and create a very extensive form. In this case, it's an onboarding form we created. As you can see, it can go forever. Okay, so just like this, you will create the form. You can see it has a nice highlighting, which you can switch on and off. And this will basically create like an HTML for your custom forms. There's also a CSS file on the server, which I'm not able to show you right now, but it's a standard CSS file where you just define your styles based on the classes you define here. That's it. And like magic, you can then have an onboarding checklist, which is how this form is called, on the issue list, and it consists of custom fields and nothing else. That gives you great flexibility, because you can assign the issue to different people. It respects Redmine privileges and roles, and you can of course move it among projects. You can do whatever you want because it's a standard issue, and the only difference here is actually that it has a lot of custom fields. If there were no styles in place, it would look just like a normal custom field. But in this case, it's a little more polished. It's a little more eye candy because we took the time and created the styles. That's it. Okay. So like this, you can have custom forms available for any kind of purpose. It can be onboarding, training, whatever the case may be. And you can easily create forms and distribute them among projects, assign them to different people. It's a time saver. Thanks for watching.